This is the second passage for the third 9 weeks reading test. The questions for the desk. Question number 10. The poet begins the last 3 stanzas with the word I in order to F. Suggest that the speaker does not like people coming into his room. G. Develop the idea that the speaker's desk has a special purpose. H. Emphasize how the speaker connects with the desk. J. Show that the speaker spends most of his free time in his room. The poet begins the last 3 stanzas with the word I in order to. Question number 11. From the speaker's experience, the reader can learn that A. People with their own room feel more independent. B. Something that doesn't seem promising can turn out to be a welcome surprise. C. Collecting stamps can help people acquire more knowledge about the world. D. Mothers always know what is best for their children. From the speaker's experience, the reader can learn that Question 12. The poet's use of sensory language in line 27 is intended to help the reader F. Realize that the speaker did not expect the drawer to make a sound. G. Understand why the speaker puts drawing supplies in the drawer. H. Imagine the sound made by the shutting of the desk drawer. J. Know that the desk drawer now has something in it. The poet's use of sensory language in line 27 is intended to help the reader Question 13. Which line from the poem best suggests that the reader feels a sense of happiness about having the desk? A. Painted bright orange. B. Rub my hands over the surface. C. Bigger and deeper. D. And a few pencils inside. Which line from the poem best suggests that the speaker feels a sense of happiness about having the desk? Question 14. The poet uses the last line of the poem to F. Suggest that the only place the speaker would like to be is in his room. G. Explain that the speaker likes to collect maps and stamps. H. emphasize that the speaker thinks that the desk has dramatically changed his room. J. Show that the desk drawer is large enough to hold the speaker's maps and stamps. The poet uses the last line of the poem to